Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back with a tutorial, and I wanted to show you this because I think it is beautiful. And the idea is it's a pencil rosette, because that's a pencil, so obviously you could sharpen it and then use your pencil, but it's got that beautiful unicorn on the front. It's all sparkly and I just absolutely love it. I think it is gorgeous. So I wanted to show you this because I was inspired by Bernadette when I did a swap with her the other day, and I think I said on the video that I was going to do something because she sent me this pencil rosette with a little shaker on, so she inspired me to do that. So thank you, Bernadette. I mean, obviously mine is a lot bigger. You don't have to make them this big if you don't want to, but it just so happens mine turned out to be this big. And you don't have to use a pencil. You could just use a straw, whatever you want. But I'm going to use a pencil again. Just some I got from Wilko's. It's not the colour I really wanted, but it's all I've got at the moment, so I'm going to use that. What I've done is I've gone ahead and made a basic rosette. I've already shown you how to do these before, I'm sure you know. So I've done a rosette and I just used this border punch down the side. Okay, and I used two pieces measuring 2 inches wide by 11 3/4 in length, and I just glued them together. And I put some of my glimmer spray on, but I don't really think you can see it with this light. The light's a bit funny. So that's the basic rosette. And then I think you remember when I showed you the other day, I bought this beautiful Enchanted Meadow pad, and this is what I got the image out of, because all you can do is just pop a, where is it? Like a 2-inch circle punches them out perfect there, and that's what I did. So that's how I got the little image. And this time I've punched out the little fairy girl with a 2-inch punch, and using a 1 3/4 I've just punched out some glimmer paper. And we're going to make this one slightly different this time. That's basically just the pencil glued onto the back and a couple of pieces of paper and glimmer paper on the back to cover the pencil. But I'm going to try something a bit different this time. What I'm going to have on the back is I've made this kind of like rosette flower thing just out of a bit of lace. I just stitched it into a little, like a circle, and I sprayed glimmer spray on that as well. It looks lovely. So that's what I'm going to have on the back, and then I'm going to put this over just to hide the little bit of like stitching in the middle. And this here is ribbon, which is this one. And I got this from good old Ali. I love it. I've got quite a few colours. It's not expensive and you get loads, so I'll link that down below. And that's what I did. So we are just going to glue basically all of this around the back. Okay, so I've got my hot glue gun out, so I'm going to glue this on first. So I'll just get a bit of glue on. You can only obviously work in little pieces at a time. And see, it just creates that, oh damn, I've put it on back to front. Never mind, I wanted the shiny side on because one side is shiny and the other's not, but it doesn't really matter. What's that hanging off the glue gun? Bit of sticky stuff. Right, so just some more glue around. Now, oh sorry, yes, I forgot to say this is another one of my embellishment craft fair ideas video, because I think these would be great for craft fairs. I mean, they would just be great for, especially I think, like little girls, you know, I think they would love these. Because they're just so sweet. But obviously not just little girls, anybody can, you know, a lot of grown-ups love unicorns still and fairies and stuff, and they're really popular as well at the minute, so alright, so that is the last bit glued on. Isn't that just so sweet? So I'm just going to trim this bit off that we don't need. And just secure that onto there. A bit more glue. There we go, it's as easy as that. And as I said, I've glued mine the wrong way. I wanted the shiny side at the front, but never mind. It still looks pretty, so just cut that bit of thread off. Right, so there is our little beautiful little image there. So I'm going to put it together now. So what we're going to do is this is going to get glued on to the front of the rosette. I think I'll do that last. What I'm going to do is glue the pencil on. Okay. So I'm just going to pop some glue on here. I'm going to need another glue stick. And then I want the kind of image, the words at the front. So just hold that down. Yeah, that can you see, because it says check and done, so the words at the front. And then that's what I thought would be better, to have this. We just have to glue this in the middle, and it's not bulking out at the back, and it's hiding like the cover of the pencil, and it's leaving some nice fancy little kind of tool stuff on show. So we're going to glue. I'm just going to have to quickly get a glue stick. Okay, so just some glue in the middle of the flower, well, the lacy flower, and then that looks about right. I'm just, oh, that is so hot, this glue gun, honestly, it's unbelievable. I don't think I've ever used one as hot as this before. I mean, it is good, don't get us wrong. That's not going to work, is it? No messing about, it sticks. And as you can see, that's what I mean. You can, it's covered the pencil, and we don't have a lot of bulk at the back. I wish you could, I hope it's picking up the shimmer spray. So I've been spraying it on fabric and everything, and it's brilliant. So there we go. And then we are now going to glue this gorgeous little fairy on the front. So I'm just going to put some glue onto the rosette and just try and get her pretty central if we can. About right. Move it to that way a bit. So hot still. Unbelievable. So that's that, and I think these are gorgeous. I love them. So what you can do as well is, like I did with a bit of there, if you want to put anything like dangly things, hanging ribbon and stuff, you would just tie that round your pencil before you glue it on. But yeah, I like, oh sorry, yeah, we haven't put this bit on. As I said, this is just to hide the middle bit of the lace. Just add a bit more sparkle really. I think it looks better. And there we go. That is these two gorgeous rosettes. I hope you like them and I hope you'll give them a try. And I think they're really cool with the pencils, because not only has it got two purposes, well, the purpose of writing, but it also makes them really strong. But like I say, you can use a straw, whatever you want. So there you go. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll be back again soon with another video. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.